And the reason, Kissable Toys Yellow Soldier, Global Water Captivate, rushing up in between runners, Danodi inside, piece needed, and Eye Catcher, Yellow Soldier, Captivate, racing on the outside is Global Warrior, piece needed is running in port, moving up is Kissable Toys, Eye Catcher, and inside the last 900, Yellow Soldier by Hapolan, Captivate in second, Global Warrior is racing in third, and moving up by the rally piece needed, Kissable Toys, Eye Catcher, and rounding the far turn, Yellow Soldier by Hapolan, Captivate, Global Warrior, and closing in fourth now is piece needed as they race upon a corner, Yellow Soldier, Captivate on the outside, Captivate, Yellow Soldier, Global Warrior on the outside, and piece needed, and with the last 200 meters more to run, Captivate, Global Warrior on the outside, Captivate by the run, Global Warrior on the outside, it's Captivate, Global Warrior moves up, and finally, once again from the stable of Mr. Putz Puyat, 1A Global Warrior, second, Captivate, piece needed, Yellow Soldier.